Welcome back to HealthTech Explorer's channel. Today we will talk about virtual patients and AI simulation, revolutionizing drug development and reducing cost. How much does it cost to invent a drug? Modern drug development is a multi-billion-dollar business with extremely high risk. The average cost for a drug to go through the full cycle of research and regulatory approval can exceed $2 billion, and the clinical trial stage alone can take between 5 and 10 years. The main challenges include the need for thousands of patients, high logistics costs, heterogeneity of clinical data, and frequent late-stage failures due to safety or lack of efficacy. But AI and virtual patients are driving a true breakthrough, changing the rules of the game. What is a virtual patient? A virtual patient is a computer model that simulates the physiological, biochemical, and pharmacological processes of a specific person or a group of people. It is built on the basis of clinical data, lab tests, medical records, genomic and proteomic profiles, behavioral models, and drug response patterns. Such a model enables conducting virtual clinical trials in a digital environment, testing drugs, predicting efficacy and safety, and tailoring individual treatment plans. How virtual patients reduce drug development costs. Automation of early research phases. AI removes the need to run all stages on real patients, modeling pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, and helping eliminate ineffective candidates much faster. Accurate safety predictions. Virtual simulations reduce the risk of costly and dangerous adverse effects at late stages by testing toxicity and drug interaction scenarios in advance. Minimizing errors and statistical noise. Virtual patients ensure strict data validation and reduce variability in clinical samples. Fast development for rare and complex diseases. Where assembling large patient groups is difficult, digital simulation becomes the primary way to study drug efficacy. Real-world industrial use cases. Pfizer uses AI simulations to accelerate antiviral drug development, especially during the COVID-19 era, cutting research cycles from months to weeks. Sanofi applies digital twinning to optimize asthma therapies, modeling the effects of new biologics and refining patient selection criteria for trials. Novartis and Exscientia integrate digital twins into targeted oncology research, increasing approval chances and clinical success rates. Technologies and methods. Machine learning and genomics combine to create multifactorial patient models that reflect disease dynamics and treatment responses with high precision. Cloud computing and big data enable processing massive volumes of clinical and biomedical information in real time, keeping virtual models continuously updated. Multidisciplinary collaboration brings together pharmaceutical leaders, academic institutions, and AI startups to build hybrid digital simulation platforms. Regulatory landscape and the future. The FDA and EMA are already publishing guidelines and launching pilot projects on the use of digital twins and virtual patients in drug and biologic approvals. Legislation aims to ensure safety, transparency, and reproducibility so that regulators and patients can fully trust digital trial results. In the future, digital twins will allow doctors and patients to take part in decision-making through personalized simulations, shaping the future of medicine and pharmacotherapy. In conclusion, why now? AI and digital modeling technologies have reached a mature stage. The creation and updating of virtual patients have accelerated from months to days. At the same time, the industry and professional community recognize the enormous economic and clinical benefits. Virtual patients are a tool that can make drug development faster, cheaper, and, most importantly, significantly more effective and safer. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.